guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Pratyusha. Actually, I'm new to my channel. It's been more than a month since I last made a video. But yeah, finally I'm here and it's December, the favorite month of the year. That's the reason I've decorated my background. So yeah, this is again gonna be a haul video, but not an Amazon or Bath and Body Works. This is gonna be a Goa shopping haul video. I've been to Goa recently and shopped few things. At least these are few for me. So I'm gonna show you what all I got from Goa market. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I have is this scarf. Yes. We were going somewhere and we took bikes on rent, and I didn't want to ruin my hair, so I wanted a scarf and I forgot to pack a scarf. So yeah, that's when we went to a shop, a local shop, and purchased a scarf. Also, I'm gonna make a Goa vlog. It might not be a proper vlog, but I will let you know what all places you can explore in South Goa and North Goa. So yeah, this is the first one, and this was for only 100 rupees. The quality is so good. The material is so good. The print is also very good. I love the print. And it also has tassels in the end. And the next one is this frock that I'm wearing right now. It has also got the elastic which kind of hugs your body. I used this in my trip when we went to Kabodorama, and it was very good, comfortable. The material is too good. Initially, he said it was 500 rupees, but I bargained and got it for 350 rupees. So the next product that I got is also from the clothing item. This is the one. So I love this top. It's got like a fish cut going on in the end, and it has got a beautiful golden elephant print, which I'm a very big fan of elephants, pigs. Can you see how beautiful the print is? I washed it once and the print of the elephant didn't go away. He told me it was for 400 rupees, and after a lot of bargain, I got it for 200 rupees. To pair this up with a shrug, I got this cute looking shrug from the same shop again, which has this kind of print all over. It was priced at 400 rupees initially, and I got it for 200 rupees. Next thing is also from cloth section, but I'm sure it's called kaftan. This is how it looks. It is a white kaftan with a beautiful design. So me and my friend have bought these to take a picture. I mean, I had a different visual in my mind, like there will be a sunset and we both will be sitting with the same dress, and I wanted a picture, but we didn't get to take a picture, but we have the same dresses. So this is how it looks like. So that's all I have for clothes. And jumping into bag section, so the first bag that I have is this beautiful round bag. I don't know what these bags are called, but this is how it looks, and this has got like an opening over here, a button. You're supposed to open like this, and when you open this is how it looks like. It's got one compartment and a beautiful flower lining, flower inner going on. Strap is brown in color, and it is adjustable so that you can carry it in your hand like this, or you can use it as a sling bag. So depending on your dress style, you can just carry it however you want. It is a white jute material. It's got like the flower design in front, and it's plain in the back. Coming to the next bag is this. I again don't know what this bag is called, but Boa Boa has these kind of bags, luxurious brand where they sell their bags. These type of bags are priced at 40,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees. Got like a compartment inside, only one, and also a zip. So it's written Bao Bao inside. Seem to be pink. When there is light, it kind of shines like this. Coming to the next bag, I have this one. This gives me such a beach vibe. It has got a handle like this. You can use it like this, or you can use it as a sling bag too. It's given a jute sling over here. This is an off-white jute going on over here, and you can find daisies. I love daisies also, so you can carry it like this, or you can use it as a sling bag. I didn't get to take a picture with this because I think I bought it before coming, so we had to rush, and there was no picture with this one. Okay, that's all for bags also. I got only 3 bags. Next, I have few jewelry items. So when I was in Goa, my mom called me and she was like, there was a Tibetan market in Goa which is 500-year old, and they sell this jewelry and all of that. And I was like, how do you know this? So she was like, I've seen so many videos on YouTube. Okay, that's when she asked me to bring these. So let me first show you what things I got for myself. So the first one is this multicolor bracelet that goes with any outfit that you wear. It has got blue balls, yellow, and other different colors. I just love this piece. So the next bracelet is this one, a blue colored one. This is also for 200 rupees, and I got it for 120 rupees. This is how it looks like. This is so pretty. You can pair it up with western wear, traditional wear. If you're someone who is a fan of jewelry, then you must definitely visit this place. This is I don't know what market it is called, but it is near Baga Beach. I mean near Tito's Lane. So the next thing that my mom asked to bring is this one, this chain. So initially it was for 700 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees. So this is how it looks like. The next thing that I got is this one, which has got like blue, sky blue and white stones with some design. I don't know, they are Tibetan chains or something they call it. The shopkeeper told me. So the next chains that I have are these. The first one is this blue strings chain. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty, but I don't use these chains, but they're so pretty. My mom does. My mom uses. I remember she bought these in Vizag for 400 rupees each, but I got them for 150 rupees each. So I got to buy all this jewelry from the same shop. That's the reason they've reduced. If you're buying only one item or 2 items, then I'm not sure they'll reduce the price. The next one is this beautiful red chain again, the same pattern. It's got earrings. This is also for 150 rupees. This is how it looks. I love this chain so much, but this is not my vibe. So this is the next one, gray and purple going on. So this is how it looks like. Oh, this side. Also got earrings, and this is how it looks with only 4 strings. And this is also for 150 rupees. So yeah, these are all the things that I got from the Goa market. All these things are from the same market, which is on the left side when you go to Tito's Lane in Baga. So these are all the things that I got from Goa market. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. That's where I make travel reels, skincare reels. I'll see you in my next video soon. Until then, stay safe and bye.